fast. He'll be laps number 28. Liam Cater. And into the last lap, all Honda Kings can have enough of the lead over Ricky Torno. But look at Justin Reed on the charge for third place on the purple and yellow outfit. Reed on the Can-Am bumper here, looking for a way past number 17. Number 17, Ollie Sampson on the LTR 450 Suzuki. Meanwhile, the leader, Paul Holmes, just takes the checkered flag ahead of number 82, Ricky Torno. Now here comes Justin Reed, trying to get on level terms with Ollie Sampson, but Sampson deals with the wolves better. He's gone away. And surely, well, has Sampson got it? He's got the last turn to negotiate. There goes Justin Reed, but Oliver Sampson takes third place ahead of Justin Reed in fourth. Fifth place will be number 14, Ben Harmon. And he finishes just ahead of number 46, Andy Lawton.